Hi there, I'm Vicki Norris, organizing expert of Restoring Order. You know, uncertain times don't have to stress us out. We don't have to wait around for something or someone to come save us. With organizing, we can reclaim our power. And today, I'm going to share with you empowering organizing projects that you can do in really foundational areas of your life so that you can get back your power and your peace of mind. One of the most empowering things that you can do is take control of your finances and get them in order. One of our favorite projects to do for our organizing clients is to create a simple financial inventory spreadsheet. What that means is gathering all of your statements and getting them in one place so you can see what institutions you have your money in, what type of account they are, what the account numbers and your most recent balance is. This will give you a dashboard of all your financials in one place so you can make decisions. Now, while you're gathering all those statements, you might as well get your financial files in order as well. Now, if you're like me and you're a business owner, it might also be helpful for you to create a cash flow spreadsheet. And this is just a simple tool that helps me organize the business and the personal finances. We use this with our bookkeeper every week to manage cash flow. Once you get your finances in order, you are going to have tremendous peace of mind, and it will help you get a jump on estate planning. Another empowering project you can do is to organize your food. Go through your fridge and your pantry and assess what you've got. And while you're in there, give it a good clean. Then turn your attention to your back stock and look at your food resources so that you can make buying decisions wisely. But beyond store-procured food, let's start thinking about growing and canning and dehydrating our food. You know, our ancestors knew how to do all of this, and all of our grandparents had a victory garden. So maybe we can begin to think about growing, even on our kitchen counter. I grow this little basil plant in my own garden window. Maybe you can even tackle a greenhouse. Taking back your food security is smart and sustainable. Another empowering project is to intentionally increase your connections. Now, we're already a pretty lonely culture here in America, and isolation makes it even worse. So now is the time to initiate intentional communication with family members, friends, and neighbors. Here's an idea: resurrect the lost art of writing handwritten letters. You know that's the first thing that you open when you get the mail is those handwritten letters. Another thing you can do is use those video chat apps. I just got my aunt to download the app that I use the most, and we all sang her happy birthday yesterday. So the point is, in this time, to take initiative to increase that human connection so we can give and receive the support that we need. Finally, you can empower yourself by organizing household and medical supplies. So take stock of the resources that you have on hand: water, candles, first aid supplies. And you know, if you think about it, trying times are good for us because they cause us to get prepared and to become less dependent. Instead of spending time worrying or waiting for the shoe to fall, organizing these key areas of your life will help you be prepared, hopeful, and strong. All of these ideas are on my related blog, Empowering Organizing Projects. Here is to reclaiming your life. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Be sure you subscribe to the channel and check us out at restoringorder.com.